All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name's Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. So today we are here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley, just south of the 215, right off of Durango. Have you guys ever heard of a community called Rose Ranch? We are just on the east side of Rose Ranch here. This is a gated neighborhood. These are all single-story homes here. Some of these homes do look like it's modern, wide streets here. And what's nice about this neighborhood, you get some large backyards. You got the 3-car garage here, RV parking. This home has a lot to offer. We're gonna go inside. Also, I'm gonna give a quick shout out to my boy John, thinking about purchasing this home. So this is one of the services that we do provide should you be interested in purchasing a home out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We do full video tours just like this one for our clients. So as you can see, this is actually a 4-car garage. You have a camera system right there too as well. You got the flat tile. All your gas meters and all that stuff is going to be on this side, and it looks like the pool pumps on this side. You have access to the back on this side. So I like the 4-car garage here. You got some pavers. Now real quick, this home features 4,096 square feet, 5 bedrooms, a den as well, and 4 bathrooms, basketball court and RV parking, and also the pool spot is gorgeous. Okay, let me take a look at this. All right, you got a camera system right here on this side too as well. Let's go inside to see what this home has to offer. You got vegetation in the front, you got the irrigation drippers, you have this steel gate right here, you got a Ring doorbell. Here we have just kind of like a little small entryway. There you go. I guess if you really wanted to get up in here, you could just climb right through there, right? But then once you do that, you got to get through these French doors. Now as we come in, we have a 36-inch tile, as you can see, and it's ran the same direction as the island here. This is a gorgeous kitchen. Look at this. Nice large living space. All right, let's get into this real quick. This asking price on here is $1,639,999. So we're gonna start off with this island. We have a beautiful, nice marble island. You got the under-mounted sink. I think this is a 36-inch sink too as well. Nice gooseneck. Let's see if we have a water filtration system, which is really nice here. Now these things can run up to about $4,000. You have some minor wear and tear on the cabinets here. LG appliances, not bad. Definitely, there's a lot of can lighting here. 42 upper cabinets with an 18-inch, and it looks like they finished this off with the crown too as well. Standard brushed nickel hand pulls, and you have your subway tile here. These are porcelain tile with white grout. Here we have a 36-inch cook countertop, the Viking, which is really nice. Love the knobs on here. These are not your full overlay cabinets. Let's see here. These are the Dovetails MC, my favorite brand. Soft closing cabinets, as you can see. We have the double stack too as well. Orange peel texture, straight edge on the cornering. Viking refrigerator. Technically, there should have been a full built-in here. Okay. You got a different countertop here. This is a hard composite. I believe this is probably a Corian, it looks like. Not bad, right? Now let's come on this side here. 6 inches on the baseboard, 2-tone paint. You do have a little bit scuff marks here and there. You definitely need to do some painting for sure. Right here, we're gonna put our HDMI connection or outlet. So this is a pretty large room. So this would be like a second entertainment room, or you could literally put an office here. I probably would do a sliding glass door here. Also, we do have, looks like for the alarm system right there. That looks like a break glass. So basically, if somebody breaks in, that thing triggers off. You have a very large tray ceiling. You do have some LED lights, and also you have a camera system and a motion sensor right there. All your cables and stuff will go right here as well. You have a nice little bar area. Looks like we have a thermostat. We're going to find out how many units there are. So here's going to be your formal dining room. However, let's go back this way. Okay, let's see what we got here. So down here, here's your walkthrough again. Back over to your dining area. Now you do have a reverse tray ceiling on this dining room area, and also looks like your grill for your supply line. Okay, not bad. We're gonna head down this way. So we have some pantry. Looks like we have a 6-panel door. Let's see if it's a solid core door. It's a hollow. Okay. Now I'm not gonna spend too much time on this video because we also got to do another live video too as well for our client. That's another service that we provide. Now here is the laundry room. Love the built-in shelves. These are adjustable, which is really nice. Okay. Again, we have the sink here, and we have our upper cabinets. And another upper cabinet's washer and dryer. It's gonna go gas here. Here's your garage. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so we have a 2-car garage on this side. You have a soft water ream here. You got a hot water tank here. You got your power here, your breaker box, and also you have a service door. I'm not gonna go too much into detail because, like I said, this video is gonna be a little bit quick. I'm running out of time because we got to head over to our next appointment. Here is your other garage. Okay. Your main water valve here. This is a 2-inch line, which is very nice. That tells me that there is enough water to supply this house. Also, it looks like you have some extra storage, scuff marks here and there. Garage fully finished with the baseboards, minus the epoxy, which is I definitely would epoxy. This floor, this home has some post tension slabs too as well, which is also nice. All right, let's go back in. We're gonna make sure that this thing is closed. And as I'm going through the house, I'm just gonna go ahead and just turn off all the lights. Trying to kill. Oh, you know what? We're gonna have to leave it on. Because again, I got to do that tour. Totally forgot about that. All right, let's take a walk back down here. Let's see exactly what we have. We have our utility closet. Wi-Fi and all that stuff would go here. Our primary is right here. However, we're gonna come down this hallway. There's such a maze here. Okay. We got a bedroom here up in the front, which is not bad. You have your closet here. 10-foot ceilings, and this is a Jack and Jill bathroom here. Okay. Now let's take a look. We got shower tiled all the way up to the top here, which is really nice. Soapbox too as well. Okay, we have the Jack and Jill. Now in this one we have 2 Cat 6 here. You got your coax right here. I don't know if I'm moving way too fast for you guys, but I do apologize because I really got to be at another appointment. However, I want to hook you guys up. You got the coax here, closet here. This is your walk-in closet. Walk-in closet is not as big. Okay. Now coming on this side here. Oh, I don't know if you guys heard that. I just farted on accident. My bad. Excuse me. I was literally walking and I farted. How embarrassing is that? But I have a tummy ache too as well. All right, so we have fiberglass tub, and we have this glass enclosed subway tile all the way up to the top, which is really nice. Love that color choice on that. On this one, I've never seen a countertop like this, but all this right here is all recyclable material. Okay. Now we got another bedroom here. Okay, now this one's a little bit dark because it doesn't have a 4-can lighting. You do have the coax here. Closet, it's just a regular standard closet. All right, is this another one? Oh, am I tripping? Well, here's another one. walk-in closet, coax. You have your jumper duct too as well. Here's your linen closet. And now let's go back here to the main living, right, is your primary. You got the tray ceiling too as well. Very large, looks like your bed and nightstand here is all gonna go here. TV's gonna go there. You have the access to the backyard. You also have a thermostat, 6-can lighting, 12 by 24 on the tile. We have some closet space off to the left here. Off to the right, same thing, more closet space. Okay, looks like some of the shelves definitely need to be adjusted. Attic access right above. Coming into the primary bathroom, here we go. Quartz countertops, nice bathtub. Oh, look at that, you have a beautiful herringbone shower. Cladded all the way to the top. I love the pan here. Look at that. Nice. Gray shooters, they did a really good job on that. Nice and clean. Here is your makeup area. Then we have your toilet. Now I'm going to take you out to the back. Okay. And I only got a couple minutes, so I know it feels like rush. It is what it is. So here's the thing, guys. If you guys want more information about this property, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. But look how gorgeous this backyard is. Now you have a home right here that's elevated, right? They could technically see into your home, but as you can see, they got a screen there that's covered. That small window is a bathroom. They'll never look. Over here is another bedroom, which is covered. I think that's where the headboard is, but look how gorgeous this thing is. You got the synthetic grass, right? You got all these plants here along the wall. Down here, look at this. You have your solar for the pool, okay? Now it's not like a solar, that's just like solar from the sun, basically. Pool equipment looks like in pretty good condition. Access to the back here again, or to the front. You got your cover patio. Oh, I love these blinds right here. I think these are just regular shade blinds. That should be electronic. And take a look at this. You got a basketball court. Now the lot size here is 21,334, actually 21,344 square feet. Look at this, enough for an RV parking right here, which is really nice. This is a very large home here. Again, if you guys want to challenge me on a game of basketball, let me know. Now let's take a look here from this perspective. Look how gorgeous this is. Very large home. Okay, guys, if you guys want more information about this home, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. Also, the other thing is, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. That is right. All right, guys, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.